What's up, my beautiful people? Alright, y'all, I got myself in a pickle. I got myself in a pickle. So, today is July 1st. Definitely did not expect to be starting the 1st of July like this. But, it is what it is. We're here now. We just gotta rock with it. So, first things first. I actually decided last night that I was going to enter a trade. And not only was I going to enter a trade, but I was actually going to go to sleep. Because to be completely honest, I just felt a little fatigued. I know I said I was going to stream yesterday. I did not end up streaming yesterday. Reason being, I had to go to the Virgin Islands on a whim. So, by the time I got back, it was just really late. And I was like, man, like, I know I have to travel for work. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this trade. As soon as I place a trade, I got stopped out in profit. So I was like, oh, well, this is good. I'm going to go ahead and enter again. So I entered again. And lo and behold, as soon as I entered, guess what happened? Wait, what is this? 1 second, guys. See the pattern form. No rushing in. We come inside the storm. Protect your capital. Just something real quick. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit payout, that's the life we know. Okay, I think I fixed it. But yeah, like I was saying, I entered the trade, and as soon as I entered the trade, I got stopped out in profit. So I was like, okay, this is good, you know. And then next thing you know, I was like, all right, cool. Let me enter another one. And this was about like 9 p.m. So I got home around like right here. So I'm watching this go up, and I'm like, okay, cool. Slight pullbacks. Like, not understanding that this was actually a flag to go down further, right? So I missed the entire session. So I missed this entire session, and I get in here in profit. I'm like, all right, cool, got in here. So I think I got in profit like one other time, but I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna put a stop loss in profit. I'm just gonna go ahead and hold on to this thing. And I happened to like fall asleep, to be honest. Put in a trade, doing some stuff around the house, fell asleep. Woke up, I was like, oh man, I need to get ready for bed. Started getting ready for bed. I was like, oh wow, I got a trade on. So this was probably about like right here, because I saw it when I looked at the trade. It was coming back up. So maybe about like 11. So I was like, oh wow, this is a huge drawdown. So I thought about doubling down and getting out of it. But I said, you know what? I'm going to go to sleep. Looks like we got some, President Trump visits North Dakota, participate in meteor welcome ceremony. Okay, so hopefully Trump is not going to talk. And if he does talk, hopefully Hopefully he says something good. So you got some headlines here. President Trump visits North Dakota, participate in nuclear welcome ceremony. Okay, so hopefully Trump is not gonna talk. So I didn't get in any trades right here. Of course, this thing just kept dropping, but by then I went to bed, right? It's been a long day. So all this happened, and I think I saw this like early. I said, you know what? I'm not even gonna entertain this. I'm just gonna let this two lot do its thing. And then I look at it maybe about 10ish again. So every time I happen to look at this chart, it starts to pull up. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to add to it. I'm just going to let it do its thing. So I look at it again, like right before lunch. So like maybe like 11:45-ish, I believe. So I saw it pop. I looked, I saw that it popped up a bit, going back down. And now we're here. So what I'm going to do, honestly, I'm not going to add to this. Part of me wants to add to it about right here. So this is the same account I was building. I accidentally, well, not accidentally, I got on NQ. And now we're here. And I was going to trade NQ for some scalp buys. And the copier was on for NQ. So it copied the second account. So that's why there's some sort of profit on this second account. Like, should be like 94 bucks. Now this thing is just falling. So we're either gonna be up some dollars or we're gonna blow this thing. I'm not tied to this account at all by any means. It is what it is, man. I'm not tied to it. If it blows, it blows. Do I want it to blow? No, but at the same time, man, I know it's like catching a falling knife. But we'll see. And I think it's honestly just fatigue of having to like build this account back. Because I've been trying to build this account back for the longest. I get close to getting it to the other account. I've traded some nights off stream, and I think the highest I got was like maybe 600. So yeah, it's one of those things where it's either gonna get there, because I'm getting fatigued in terms of building up this account 200 to 300 every day. For a funded account, for your personal account, sure, but for these evals, it's tough doing that. Because after a while, it's just like time is passing, right? And that's less time from actual payout. But I really wanted to document this madness that I got myself into last night. And I said I was gonna stream from like last night, but I was like, you know what? I was so tired and so jet lagged. Having to go. How long was that flight? I think that flight was about like almost 4 hours one way. So I pretty much spent like maybe 3 and some change. So I spent about anywhere from 7 to 8 hours on a flight yesterday. I was done for. I got some coffee. I don't know why this thing is zooming in all the way like this. Y'all are up close and personal with me today. Anywhere from 7 to 8 hours on a flight yesterday. I was done for. Oh my gosh, my camera is like not working with me today. Okay, I don't know. I guess it just want to be in my face. Okay. So this thing is trying to pull back up, which is good. Let's see. Well, I'm still down 1,300, so I guess it's not trying to pull back up that much. So this thing is trying to pull back up, which is good. Let me check the chat. Trace my nail, what's up? We ain't cooked right now. I held a trade overnight. Well, technically it wasn't overnight because it's in this session, but it's definitely you know, I've held it since about, what time was this? I held it since about, well, yeah, overnight. 8:45 last night. I got home and instead of just taking my fatigue for the day and not trading, I wanted to get into a trade. That's the thing, like, I have an account, these accounts, I don't have to like rush them, but every time I'm home, I feel like I have to rush because then I have to go back to work and I travel a lot for work, so I'm normally like rushing, feeling that I have to enter a trade. And when I was working remotely, I never did that because for me, I didn't feel I had to rush, but now that I am traveling a lot more, I'm rushing into my trades. I'm normally like rushing, feeling I have to enter. This is some good Colombian coffee. I gotta get some Blue Mountain coffee from Jamaica and some coffee from Dominica. I ran out. Let's see what we got on headlines. I mean, we don't. Is Trump talking? You know what coffee is really good too? I had some coffee from, oh my gosh, some coffee from Seattle. That was good, surprisingly. And then, oh my gosh, was it Utah? Some state that I thought coffee wouldn't be that good. I got it at the airport. It was really good. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah. Oh my gosh, small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. So the goal is that this thing just shoots up. Something good happens in the market. Hopefully Trump says something wonderful, like this war is ending or something. I don't know. And this market shoots up. What I noticed is that ES went for a high. ES actually went for the high of the day. But for some reason or another, beautiful and cute. Beautiful and cute. Just happened to miss it. Beautiful, old, and cute. Just happened to miss. Just happened to miss it. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. So I think the high of the day happened about midnight. Or was it midnight? No, the high of the day happened about right here. So I'm pretty much at the high. Previous settlement is over that. I'm pretty much at, and that was a thought process in the trade last night. So when I was looking at it, let me fix my chart back. When I was looking at this, that's my TP on the other side. I need to fix this real quick. when I was looking at this trade last night, the main reason why, and well, one of the main reasons why I entered, still was a little too hasty. What I should have done, and of course I could play Monday morning quarterback all day, right? What I should have done was I should have waited for this range to break, but I did not wait for this range to break. I just had my bias, and that was that. So I looked at this. I wasn't here, but I looked at this, and of course I'm like on the plane all day, and I'm watching, you know, the market from time to time. And when I saw that we opened right here, and we've been going down so much. So when I saw that this opened up at 9:15, and we just kept going, right? Even though based on my, I would say based on some of the levels that I have for stocks, some of my levels haven't hit yet. And I never get my levels when I see like gaps in the market or just different things on my charts. So I mark it off and I put my limits for where I want to, you know, automatically get my stock in like my long-term portfolio. Some of those levels haven't hit yet, so I'm like, I didn't expect it to like pop that fast, especially like we haven't even entered July yet. However, when I saw this happening, I said, okay, so this is possibly just a pullback to go higher. So I'm looking at it. This is like on the plane, I'm looking at it. So once I got in and I got hasty, I saw all of this. So if this was just a pullback to go higher around 10:45, and we just kept going up, of course I expect some sort of a pullback. Market can't go up forever. So I'm thinking this is just a nice little pullback. 2 p.m. Cool. We get here at 3. And this was just a nice little pullback again. So I watched this range. I think I got home like around right here. So I watched this range. Didn't get in. But I should have known this was a lower low. But for me, looking at it long term and seeing this is a settlement right here, this is settlement. So I'm thinking this is a pullback. However, no, it was a flag to continue going down, and this was the high. So if I was up, I could have cut it, but I wasn't up for a lot of this. I just let this trade run, so I'm just gonna let it run again. And there's part of me that wants to say, okay, I'm gonna add to this, but because I know I got the direction wrong, I'm not gonna add to it. If I survive this, then fine. If I don't, honestly, that's fine too. So we get in chat. Hello, not trading futures today, taking a break. Trading options today instead. A little positive on the day. That's good, man. Or woman. You gotta believe in yourself. What options are you trading? What options are you trading? I have a few long-term options, but I don't dare to dibble dabble in like the weeklies, and yeah, that's good. I've done that before. But that's not my lane. I'll stay in my lane. This thing is so far. I mean, we're at 1100. I looked one time, I think we were like at 600 down. Part of me wants to add and just say, all right, cool. We just rip the, you know what? If we come back down, I'm going to add. I'm just going to rip the band-aid off. See, like, when I see things like this, I'm like, oh, okay. And that's why I try to stay away from smaller accounts, because on a bigger account, I could at least like get into like maybe like a 10 lot, 40 lot, and just get this thing out. But this account is a 50K account. Can't really do much. And we keep zeroing out here and just keep coming back down. Let's see what we got on headlines. And the POC is actually at this level right here, which I had this level marked off from, let's see, I have it marked off here. However, I think it has, yep, it's marking this off with this. So this is what, the 25th? So we would need another pop. High here, high here, high here. Are we gonna get it today? You never know. The market, the market, the market, honey. The market. You just never know.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself.
So today is not a I'm just sitting on my hands, just waiting for this thing to do whatever the hell it wants. The POC is like really low, so it's not much I can do. I just gotta let this thing play out. I'm just sitting on my hands, just waiting for this thing to do whatever the hell it wants. Trace by Naya, got it right. Trade some options.
Time forget the bread. Calmness when trading. That's all we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch
Let me see what we got. So this guy right here.
Trusting God in the middle of the storm.
Got it right.
When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
He's live. He's pretty cool. I watched his stuff before. Just want to get my
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital. capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
So we're going up, y'all. We are going up. Let's see. Trying to get this chat to show. But D-Money forehead is just like right there.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle.
All right, y'all, let's see how far we can
Trusting God in the middle of the
we can
storm.
go up.
When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
What is going on with the screen capture?
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital.
We're going up, y'all.
Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
Let's see how far we can go. Ooh, come back down.
You gotta believe in yourself.
Come back down. I need Trump to say something nice. I am not sure. Okay, there we go. I'm like, I don't know how to get the screen capture.
Check the screen, time forget the
Should
bread.
just get.
Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the
So try to use the screen capture so that way I pay attention to the chat. But for some reason,
when the market cold, we
let me
keep
see
the
if I
vision
move it
warm.
like this. It's like recommending channels. It'll be real interesting to see what happens today.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool.
S'il vous plaît de moi.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta
S'il vous
believe in
plaît de
yourself.
moi. Saying, help me, please. There ain't nothing helping this, but oh God. Part of me wants to cut it and just sell it on NQ. I'm gonna assess this. Okay, let me fix this real quick. I don't know why I don't want this black part here, but I don't know why it keeps showing. This right here, let me bring this down.
Time forget the bread.
That's not helping.
Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip.
That's weird.
Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep
it's like
the vision
recommending
warm.
all these channels.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grows.
I don't really like this new candle, if I'm being completely honest. Oh man.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect
The crazy thing is ES is pushing up. If I got on if this trade was on ES, I'd be up right now, which is crazy.
small wins stacked up.
I'm not sure what is happening with NQ, but
Believe in yourself.
this was about what?
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we take it
A one lot on,
Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind.
yeah, this isn't that.
Guys, leave the fear
This was about what? 845?
and watch how it grows.
So a one lot on ES
That's the life we know.
would have won up to about 9,000. Even right now, if I still had that one lot on ES, that would be over 5,000. For some reason, NQ just does not want to push up. We can get to previous settlement. That would be good.
Check the screen.
But
Time forget the bread. Calmness when trading.
I wish I could take like other trades
No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip. Protect your capital.
on my other account.
Let it slip.
But if let's say for example, if I'm in a buy, so if I take a sell on my other account and try to trade it, then that would be considered hedging, so I would lose that account. So even if I would want to trade, I would have to close this current one. And I think I'm just to the point to where I'm like, I'm going to see this thing out. But NQ for sure is pulling ES down. Ooh, ooh. She's coming out with a vengeance right
See the
now.
pattern form. No rushing in. We calm inside the storm. Protect your capital. That's the only rule.
Okay, well,
Keep it simple.
if I was actually trading this right now,
Small
let's
wins
see.
stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
I don't know what the hell it was.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll
I'm gonna lock it.
Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow.
Hopefully that's what it was, but
Doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grows. Firm payout, that's the life we know.
yeah, she looks like she just want to come after it. Part of me just really wants to close this thing and say, you know what, girl, it is what it is. You shouldn't have went to sleep. Should have managed this trade. Another part of me is like, girl, let this thing run. Well, let's see.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
And for my evals, I never really have like a mental stop loss, but the way I look at it, I'm like, listen, just get this thing to passing the eval. But my funded, oh, I would have been out of it. My drawdown, I think, is about like 500. It depends on the trade and depends on the account, but normally at 500 if it's a funded account. Try to put a stop loss in. But it stings really bad when the drawdown would get to like about 1,000 or like 900, and it goes in my direction, or the direction that I was aiming for. So like, let's say for example, it would get up 500, I would close it, but then it would get like right here, like 514, and then go right back. Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna keep coming down.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
Yep. No revenge trading. So if I don't make it out alive on this trade, not if I don't make it out alive. If this account don't make it out alive, you know, speak life and death is in the power of the tongue. If this account happens to get crushed, I'm not gonna revenge trade it and go to the other account. It's just gonna be, that's what she wrote for the week. I'm gonna be done for the week. I thought about trading while I'm traveling, but it's not good. Jet lag with fatigue, and it's just not good. I have some other projects that I'm working on. I gotta get some real estate stuff done. Got some evaluations looking at, and I got other things that I can focus on, and of course work. So my time, I'm still going to be looking at the charts. I think what I'm going to do is more focus on some portfolio analysis for my long-term portfolio, and then when I come back, I'll just focus on the charts.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
So we got somebody talking. Why does my camera like me so much? Like, thank you. Oh my gosh.
Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up.
It's like I'm watching paint dry right now.
You gotta believe in yourself.
My coffee has a little bit of grind on it. officially like cold. Well, it's not cold. It's like lukewarm. Should have downed it earlier. Chug, 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 chug. All right. I'm thinking about doing hard 75. Thinking about doing hard 75, y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna start because I already fell off for the day. My breakfast was I actually didn't even eat all of it, but my breakfast was some pâtés. Alright, we must monitor indirect effect of war on prices. I don't think anything will happen in July. I'm just reading some headlines here. He's not saying anything exciting. I need him to say some exciting stuff to make this market go up about $2,000. If I'm looking at, yeah, no, this was just a fluke. Let's see here. So we got in right here. I wonder what platforms are gonna have some sales for 4th of July. I think Legends has some sales going on right now. But what gets me is that there's still an activation fee, right? So I like Funded Seed. I've been trading with them so far. I mean, everything is just pretty much automatic. Love that. This one's like hurt my back. So I'm sticking with them. Legend sale sounds good because it's like $30. However, by the time you pay the activation fee, I'm like, well, I might as well just stick with Funded Seed. So if you are getting a Funded Seed account, feel free to use the code Stellie. Right now they have 50% on all accounts. I'm gonna have to get some new accounts, it looks like, after that. But hopefully they have a 4th of July sale and I can grab some more. But either way, I'm gonna have to grab some more anyway. So the way that I do it, I allocate some funds to get accounts. And once those funds are depleted, then, I mean, I just don't get more accounts. But the goal is to never have those funds depleted. The goal is to get payouts to replenish those funds. Alright, let's see here.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
Oh, okay.
The chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
So if we go to the downside again,
Stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
if we go to the downside again, I am going to risk this account. And I am going to double down. So I don't want to stay here all, well, I go back and forth on letting this thing run and staying here all day just for this thing to still blow up. And part of me is like, hey, you know what, just rip the band-aid off. And another part of me is like, no, let it run. If I could have traded another account, it would have been fine. I would have let it run, but I can't technically trade another account because I don't want it to be considered as hedging, and I wouldn't necessarily buy it down here. Or I wouldn't necessarily buy it down here unless it gets to the bottom. Then, you know, but right here with this little, literally did this. It kept fooling me. Oh, I didn't see this 9:30. I was not up. But right, I saw this. So thought this thing was gonna skyrocket. But honestly, might need to just get it on NQ actually. And build it out of NQ. This on NQ is about 2,000. But we're zeroed out up here, so 9 out of 10 times we have some more movement to the downside. Looking to be zeroed out at the bottom, not the top. We shall see.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital.
So we're zeroed out on bottom and top for this candle. We still have 11 minutes and some change.
The chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple,
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait until it hits about this level or this one. I mean, it's a possibility that doing what I'm gonna do, it's gonna blow. But instead of just sitting in this thing all day, I'm gonna at least try to build it, right? So I'm gonna scalp buy, but I'm gonna scalp buy on NQ. It's risky. Now, crap. Hold on, I need to turn this. It's kind of weird. I'm noticing something right now. My other account should not. I was gonna turn my bot off on my copier. I was gonna turn it off. However, it's already off. It shouldn't be copying. But it copied last night. So I'm confused.
Trusting God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
Let me verify. You know, I'm just gonna delete. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this this copier bot. So zeroed out here. Getting this on NQ, not on.
Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
I want to make sure I'm doing the right account and not screwing this thing up.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
You gotta like quadruple click on some of these accounts. I don't know why it does that. A Tower, but if you like double click on it, it'll stay on the same account. You have to like quadruple click to switch to another account. Kind of cray. Okay, so let's see here. So I'm on this one now. Okay. So this is NQ. We zero out. If I can just get, I think we're gonna drop now. We got 7 minutes left on this candle, so I don't even want to touch it. It's not at the bottom yet. If I can go for even 100, I have 20 ticks here. Go to about 100, but if we can go for, let's see what we get. It's better to build it slowly but surely, because this thing could really like do some damage. I'll wait until we get a green candle, not this one. I'll wait until we get a green candle and we come down for like slightly test and then back up. But I'm gonna keep it at 20 ticks and
see the pattern form. No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna buy on NQ instead of adding to this. And then once we're break even, I'm probably just gonna close it up. It's gonna have to close at least by like 450 anyway. So we'll wait.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's how we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle
I really
of
like
the
this song.
storm.
I just need to stick to what the song says to do. I am calm. And that's a good thing about like prop firms. I mean, it could get into the habit of like just not give a shit, but when it comes to prop firms, you know it's not like, yeah, it's your money, you purchase a prop firm, but at the same time, it's not like my E-Trade portfolio. Like, I would never just hold a trade like this on my account unless it was like going in profit. And 9 out of 10 times, if it's going in profit, see profit, take profit. I'm not holding it this long. Which I know that, you know, other people do it. I see people like bashing this girl Tori Trades a lot. Like, she hold her account. I mean, hey, we're all different traders as long as we get to the bag. I mean, do your thing. But I haven't really looked into her stuff a lot, or like her strategy or whatever, but she hold her trades. Well, she said she hold her trades, and I mean, if you're up 50, 100, you know, good for you, man. Some people don't even make that in a year. Like, that's when people talk about traders and, you know, like bash traders. I don't understand why. Like, you're learning a skill set and you're able to, whether you're doing prop firms, whether you're trading your own money, like, I feel like every trader, hats off to you. If y'all ever come across this, I'm never gonna bash another trader, because this is hard. This is hard. This is lonely. I mean, and 9 out of 10 times you're trading because you're just tired of, for one, you probably love it. And, you know, I have my, like today, like, I'm over here in this trade, and today's my day technically, like, off from my 9 to 5, right? I could have gone to the beach. I could have done so many other things, but I actually love this. And for me, this is eventually going to, you know, make me walk away from that 9 to 5. And this has afforded me, I would say, a portion of my lifestyle that I do have, to make more money on the side. So hats off to any trader. Like, this takes guts, this takes skill. Even if you feel like, oh yeah, you know, I traded and gotten a few payouts and this is like more or less of a windfall, good for you. There are people who gamble their life away. Some people may consider it gambling, but once you learn the skill set, like, you're past gambling, bro. You're past gambling. It's a lot to come on here. Even if you're not streaming or not, you know, doing videos, like, trading is a lot. But you have to really love this shit. You have to, like, register in your brain that this is something outside of the norm that can free, you know, my family, that can free myself from, like, having to go to a 9 to 5 every single day for the rest of your life for like 40, 50, 60 years. Like, I've met people who work for the company I work for, and they've been there, like, faithfully for like 30, 50 years, and I'm like, wait, what? I don't want that to be me. I just don't, you know? I don't want that to be me at all. So hats off to any trader, man. This thing takes guts, it takes skill. Yeah, part of me is just like, yo, what are you doing? Like, just pull the plug and sell. I wish I was up earlier, because then I could have at least cut this thing, but let's see what we got.
See the pattern form. No rushing in. We come inside the storm. Protect your capital. That's the only
see what we got in
rule.
chat.
Keep it simple.
Oh, Chase by Night said just SPY.
Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit payout, that's the life we know. Patience pays. Trusting God.
Trade by Night, are you doing weeklies? Alright, we got a new POC. Let's see what we do. We zeroed out at the top, so I ain't no telling.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trusting God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
If you're doing weeklies, man, you got a strong heart. You got a strong heart. Alright, y'all. Alright, let's see something here. We can either do really well on this, or we can get crushed.
We come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool.
Looking at some stuff. Yeah.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna go in for it. I'm waiting for ES to act like it wanna. Keep going. I need this thing to dip first. Because we're at this level right here. Don't go without me, man. Come on. Come on. Ugh. I wanted it to dip a little further. I wanted to get it like right here. At least for 100, and then watch it go back up here and keep scalping to 100. So if I did this 5 times, that's 500. Right? So I'm already at 50% of what I'm down by.
Check the screen.
But I don't want to touch it now because, yes.
No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip.
It's all good.
Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trusting God in the middle of the storm.
We got another pullback.
When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
That's what I've got.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form.
And that's why I want to get it up here. We come back down, I'll for sure take a snipe at it. You know what? Let's do this. Okay, so we're in. So this account is either going to recover us a little bit. Well, this trade is either going to recover us a little bit, or we're just gonna knock it. Bruh, I'm tired of beating this trade. Well, I'm tired of beating this long ass trade, so gotta try and make a move. I mean, we're up a few dollars. I'm not gonna close it. Just I could put in a stop loss when we get to, let's see. I could put in a stop loss when we, oh, it's already over 100. Okay. So I'm gonna put in a stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna put a stop loss at 40. Not where I wanted it, but. Okay, I'll put in a stop loss right here. Ah, please don't. That was a little tight. I'll wait for it to pull back a little bit again. Or at least once we on Williams R, we're still at like 80. So I'll wait. I really wanted it to come down at least right here. So on TPO, it has that print. So O has that print. However, that print got in like right here. So this thing looks like it could go back up, but it's just the smart thing to do would have been to get this down here, honestly. But at 9:30 I wasn't up, so. Oh man. We zeroed out right here, so that's good. If we test it, zero out again, I'll put it right here, and then hopefully carry us up here. It wasn't bad, but we just got like 140 off of that.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm.
A lot of my limits didn't execute on like my stocks. So I'm expecting the market to go lower. We got on headlines. Let's see. Device would use a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. Okay. So that's Qualcomm SpaceX.
No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah.
Expecting the market to go lower, but I'm in a buy. Can't make this up, man.
Piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
So if we get another one, another dip, I don't need it to dip too much. I just need to dip to about 138. 138, I feel confident in doubling down, or at least holding NQ to about right here. Hold NQ to about right here. Then we should be able to break even on this trade. So what I'll close this particular trade on, I would have made in this one right here. But I gotta keep watching headlines. On the calendar, I don't think we have anything else till about like 5. So Trump already attended this event, which I don't think that was on the calendar this morning. I think it had it at 5, but unless that was incorrect. Yeah, now we don't even have anything at 5, so. Okay. So yeah, unless something crazy happens in the market on headlines, I mean, we're just here for now.
No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule.
Okay, 0 DCs, in and out. Man, you're brave. Well, I guess well, all traders have some level of braveness.
You gotta believe in yourself. Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's how we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let
Alright, so we're coming back down.
Trusting God in the middle.
We only got 3 minutes left on this, so I don't like that.
When the market cold, we keep the vision.
Got some more time on this. I think now it's gonna go to the downside. We're zeroed out here, so let's see if we can hold it. I was looking for a long wick, but if we push down, it's not too good.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form.
See something here.
No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
So ES is still above that 8:45, 9 p.m. Level. It's still above previous settlement. I'm not sure what in the hell is driving this market down like this. Nvidia is 197. Ooh. I didn't know Broadcom was this level.
Time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's how we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trusting God in the middle of the storm.
My entry
When the market cold, we keep the
on
vision
AVGO I hadn't hit yet. I would love for this candle to end right where it's at right now. At least I got a minute on it. But if it could be a red doji, that would be good.
See the pattern form. No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
45 seconds.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Check the
ooh.
screen.
Oh, yeah, I don't
Time
like this
forget
at
the
all.
bread. Calmness when trading.
Yeah.
That's how we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip. Protect your capital. Never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout.
Okay, we're at the level I want it. Not quite. Oh, let's go right here. So let's see if it's gonna go down and break this up. So if we're right here, let's see who is gonna come down this and go back up.
That's how we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the
This is
candle flip.
about
Protect your
160.
capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind.
Hey, shorty wanna go down.
And watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play
I'm still
the
waiting
fool.
on
Yeah.
the 1 hour to give me.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
Looking back on this is crazy. Looking at the candlestick, this thing looks crazy. How? Hold on, it's about 20% some up. That's a good strategy. Trades by minute, that's a good strategy, man. Once you're up 20% or so, you're out. That's real good. That's what so it only gets me to pay out, taking small profits over time. But I went to sleep and let this trade run, and now I'm like married to it, which I shouldn't be. But I've been building this account for a minute. Well, rebuilding this account. It was at, I think I was what, 75% to profit. And then I revenge traded, and it became, I think I maybe had like $300 left on the account before it blew. Build it back up, and now I'm over here doing this dumb stuff. So at this point, it's like, listen, maybe this account just needs to go.
the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt.
So seeing this right here,
StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself.
should have grabbed
Watch
this.
how it grow.
I missed the chance, y'all. We could have been up at least 500.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When
We
the
could have been
market
up
cold,
top
we keep
6
the
now.
vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow.
No, getting on this right here is just hella risky. Because the 1 hour, 4 hours still going down.
And watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
Daily and 4 hour
Small wins stacked
still
up.
headed down. The 1 hour, I mean, we could get some sort of pop, but previous candle wasn't
Small wins
that
stacked up, look how it
good. So
Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your
30, I mean,
no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades guys,
we could pull back.
behind. Believe in yourself.
15,
Watch how it
the main one.
profit and payout, that's the life we know.
See here.
Trusting God. StellieTrades.
15 was still below the 80 on the Williams R, so I don't really like it on the 5. I don't know why I didn't get it right here. I think once it came right here, I was looking for at least a test, like a quick test, and then back up. Didn't see that quick test, so I thought it was gonna go down a little further. So wanted to time it more appropriately, but in this madness, I don't know why I'm trying to trade rationally. I don't know why I'm trying to trade rationally in this madness. I'm already in the middle of the deep madness. It's no rational trading right now. But I would like to get it below a VWAP if I'm gonna buy it. Because on a, and I gotta be careful because I could essentially blow this thing on a. Yeah, this is 5. So what's really gonna piss me off? What's really going to piss me off is if I sit here and then I try to recover this account and the imbalances come out and it crush me. Now that's gonna piss me off. Dang, man. Ugh. So now we zeroed out, so I'm definitely, oh man. We keep climbing. We know we're in at 350. We ain't got no news. What's going on? Wait, what? Trump speaks at 3. Didn't I look at this and
Check the screen.
am I just reading this thing wrong, or
Calmness when trading. That's how we ahead. No
I thought
revenge
Trump spoke it?
trading. Watch the
1.
candle
So
flip.
there's a 1.
Protect your capital. Never let it slip.
Okay, I guess we got Trump talking at 3.
Of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision
Say
warm.
something nice.
Small wins stacked up, look how it flow.
Okay, that might have been a little pullback.
Yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit.
Looks like today might be
Watch the chart, see the pattern form.
y'all.
No rushing in, we calm inside the storm.
I
Protect
don't
your
really like
capital,
this.
that's the only
I really
rule.
don't.
Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow.
I should have traveled today instead of yesterday. So I went to bed night before. I was like, going to bed. I gotta trade in the morning. And I got a call from my mom, and I was like, oh man. Had to head out real quick. But let's see. Who knows? I could have probably gotten chopped in this little Judas swing at 10. Well, 9 and 10. 9:30 and 10. And then for the rest of the day it went up, but
That's how we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip.
that's
Protect your
crazy.
capital. Never let it slip.
If we looked at what the market did,
In the middle of the storm.
so the market did this yesterday, right?
The vision warm.
The market came, what's this, 30, yeah. The market did this, 8:45. First. This was the market yesterday, like around 9, 9:15, 9:30.
Watch the chart. See the pattern
Oh no, it didn't. What was I looking at? It actually went up.
Protect your capital, that's the only rule.
Came down here.
Simple, don't play
What up? Came down here. These are the days I need to hold my freaking trades. But I typically I would not be on NQ, especially not at open. And I got tricked. This is where I got tricked. But right here, saw it around right here. I was like, alright, I'm going to bed. And it just did this all night. Didn't look again till about right here. Thinking it's going up. No, it ain't. It just did this. So we could have very well just had two, well no, it bottomed out like right here today. So we got the low here. So we could very well go back up. This is the goal at 350 on imbalances. But the way we've been selling off today, I doubt it. So, got 6 seconds. Let's see what happens here.
Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it flow.
Some people might consider this suicide, but I'm gonna go in and put a buy as soon as we zero out.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
Yeah, we just had POC. Yeah, I think we want to flush down a little bit further. I'm looking at TPO, and we're at this level again. And the thought process is that this might actually be the low. Because we're underneath, let's see. We're underneath the 80. But it's not zeroing out.
Check the screen. Time forget the
You know what? I'm gonna do all these things at 350. Well, after 350. Try to recover. After 350.
Trusting God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
I'm gonna go for it, y'all. Hopefully I can fix it real quick.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule.
This POC just can't sit still. First it was up here and down here, now up here again. Like, just sit still. Golly. This is only, what?
You gotta believe in yourself.
Well, 100, right? Yeah, 100. I'm trying to build it slowly but surely. Golly. Golly. I was trying to move it up a little bit more. But I was a little late. So that was what, 100, I think. Yeah, 100 flat. Always zero out up here. I was looking for it to zero out down here. So I still don't trust it. Even if I did, yes, I just did buy it. I don't trust it. Right?
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trusting God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
On a 15-minute, we are below the 80 on Williams R. Which, you know what? This is tough, man. This is tough. The reason why I say this is tough is because I do want to go ahead and double down on this.
We come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
It is what it is. I am
small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf.
I'm gonna go for it. I can't stay in this thing all. Before I can even get to like moving it up, the take profits it just got hit. This thing could have at least gotten 200. So far, so far since I've been doing this, I've made 340. Right, to add to this thing. So technically for the day, when the market cold, we keep the vision warm. I'm at 1,000 down. What I'm doing is a little risque. I'm not gonna lie. It is a little risque. But I can't sell this. If I sell this, which I wouldn't want to sell it anyway, considering looking at all my confluences, I wouldn't want to sell it, right? But for where we're at, we're gonna need imbalances to get all the way to the top again. Now, the market looks like a Christmas tree, so ain't no selling. And Nvidia is down. But I'm stuck in a sell, so once I have to cut it, I'll probably have to cut it at the end of the day. The goal is that once I have to cut it, at least I've made some profits for the day to where it cancels each other out, so my losses won't be as massive. So if I keep doing this, it is risky, but if I keep doing it, there's an option, yes. The account can blow. I get it. But also I could sit here and do nothing and the account can still blow. Right? If I get some scalp buys that I can actually hold, and I'm not going to change my take profit to 20. I'm going to leave my take profit at 20. Because it can just, if I just scalp 100, 100, 100. If I do that about 5 times, that's 500. I've done it 3 times so far. So, made over 300. So let's see what 3 o'clock brings, and also 3:50. I don't know why I was looking at the time thinking it's like 3:38. It's 2:38. Okay. That's the only rule. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, headlines. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit payout, that's the life we know. Patience pays, trusting God. See something 5. I don't like what this thing is doing at all, man. Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience I don't have too much wiggle room on here, so.
Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Patience pays.
All right, she's going out for another dive, y'all. Yeah, 3 minutes left on this. If I'm gonna snipe it, I gotta snipe it at the right time.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all.
So we had another tap at
No revenge trading. Watch the
the low
candle
on
flip.
TPO.
Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the
Child.
storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays.
At this point, this is iced coffee because it's cold.
Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart.
I'm really,
No rushing in.
I'm really interested to see how this thing is gonna end.
Capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple.
I really want to see how this day is gonna end. Thank you. Are you really gonna do this for real?
On the shelf,
For real?
gotta believe in
Now with ES,
small wins stacked up.
I've been saying I was gonna do this for a minute, and I think now is the time to try.
Taking it slow. Trust your
So normally my ES chart is normally up because
StellieTrades guys.
I use it more or less as a confluence for NQ. Oh man, that would have been a good little pump. Ooh. Mm. So it broke through this lower on TPO. Normally it would tap it, so it tapped it here. All of these were like a tap on the TPO chart, but it actually broke through, and now the level ends here.
Check the screen. Time forget the bread.
But
Calmness
then
when trading.
at 9:30 it actually came down to the low.
No revenge trading.
So
Watch the candle flip. Protect
I
your
may have bought
capital, never
myself
let it
some
slip.
time
Trust in God in the middle of the storm.
by getting these
When the
scalps, but
market
now
cold, we keep the vision warm.
I wouldn't want to scalp this thing here because it's way too close. It's way too close to the low. I would need to see it push down. I mean, it did it here, but I would need to see it push down and then the POC go up. See how that this POC is coming out? Yeah, no. I'm gonna sit tight. Well,
Watch the chart, see the pattern form.
no, I'm gonna sit
No
tight.
rushing in, we
See,
calm
this
inside the
is-
storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah.
Today is a very good day to get some
Small
stocks.
wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
Yeah, 500 more before we go Kaboom. I thought we were closer to 350. We're about to be in 5 minutes. It's about to be 250. I thought we were closer to 350, but I am not going to revenge trade, even though I would love to get into a sell. Once this account does what it does, I'm gonna be done. Try to save it, you know. I try to save this account. I did well. I definitely shouldn't have gone to sleep and let this trade run. I was just tired, man. I was like, whatever. Part of me wants to at least scalp this, but I'm risking this thing going down here. Plus this tool out that I have on here. And it's not the last print, so if it comes down and get the last print on TPO, then I wish we were closer to 350. I mean, it's probably 250. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, she's probably gonna pop. She's probably gonna pop. So net, I'm down 1,200. But this position is actually down 15. Premier League 30/24. So you had the trade open since last night. Yup, sure did.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades, guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how it grow. Profit and payout, that's the life we know. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself. Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience.
Yeah, so fell asleep, woke up, saw it, kept it. And I actually did not wake up for NQ, well, New York Open. So, trade just kept running, man. Running. Do I want to take it here? Let's see. Let's make this thing a little interesting.
Check the screen. Time
I could tell I'm just getting tired of being in this trade. Let's make it a little interesting. We got 9 minutes left. Push down a little bit more. Come on, push down a little bit more. I wanted to push down a little bit more so I can. You're very brave. It's funny you say that because I just told Trades by Nairo they were very brave. They trade weeklies. Yeah, they trade weeklies on options, and I was like, oh my gosh, you're very brave. Let's see. I would like this thing to push down just a tad bit more. Get the sense of a double bottom. I mean, at that point, I would have definitely been way in too deep. But it got me like about 16, so I got 400 to play with. Oh man. That was a decent pullback. About 200. I was waiting for a little double tap here. Oh no, POC just moved down. I really want to see what happens at 350. So I'm trying to hold on to it. I'm trying to hold on to it. I want to see what happens at 350. If we're just going to blow automatically or if we're going to be revived. Okay. So we're at 16. Net, I'm at 12. Just almost called 13. How much time we got on this? We got 6 on this. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins. Did she zero out again? Ooh. Damn, that would have been a good one. That would have been a really good one. It would have for sure. It would have automatically hit me at 100, so I probably would have gotten an arc right here.
Check the screen. Time forget the bread. Calmness when trading.
Okay, Brent crude futures settle.
No revenge trading.
Okay, yeah, she might be done, y'all. I want to see 350, but I don't think we're gonna make it 350, y'all. Okay, so we're at the last print on TPO. Can we double bomb? Let's see here. This is risky.
No rushing in.
But we're either gonna blow through this. You know what? I'm gonna wait for it to tap it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to tap it. We got 400 right now, but hey, you know what? It's gonna be a good place to double. Might be a good place to double. This is crazy work.
That's how we ahead. No revenge trading. Watch the candle flip. Protect your capital. Never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm.
This last print on TP was at like 8,000. Crazy, crazy work. Okay, we zeroed out on ES, but
watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play
the 4-1 ticks guy. Hey, hey. Hello. How are you? One ticks guy. I left this trade running. Went to bed, woke up. This is where it's at. The goal was to try to recover or break even by. So this is actually on M&Q. So it just goes to show, for those people like me who don't care too much for volatility, it just goes to show, like, if you're on NQ, you can build an account off of NQ, right? But the goal was to get a one lot off of NQ for the pullbacks, because I can't sell this because I'm in this buy. But yeah, I missed this. So we pretty much we didn't exactly do a double bottom. On TP it looks like a double bottom, but let's see what happens at 350. Honestly, at 350, I think this thing's gonna sell. But hopefully we gotta push it upside. Hopefully what happens is that we push up a bit. It gives some room to run down at 350, and then for the remainder we just push up. So even if I take an L on this, it won't be like a massive L. Dang, man, I could have recovered this account just from this. I wouldn't dare touch it right now. It's already 1100. I could cut it if let's say we get over 50. I could cut it, but I don't think I'm gonna cut it. That's why I like to copy accounts, because if I had my copy trader on, this would have gotten cut at 500. I wasn't risking 2 accounts, but 1 account, yeah, it's riskable. It is riskable. So we got in chat. The 4-1 ticks guy, man. I'm great, living risky. Ticks is asking how I'm doing. As you can see, 4-1 ticks, I'm living a little risky today. I appreciate you for tuning in though. So honestly, the thought process behind this is actually not bad, right? This actually was not bad. Reason being, even if I got in like right here, I didn't get in this at all, I would have essentially recovered their account, right? So I would have broken even for the day. However, it's just risky happening right here. We're already zeroed out here. In addition to that, ooh, that POC just moved up though. So Premier League, I'm gonna pull up funded seats for you so you can take a look at it. But hold on, let me try to focus on this trade real quick. I think nah, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna sit tight. To be honest, y'all, I'm conflicted because the POC is right here for half of it. We're zeroed out. The zero broke. So this thing might actually... It might actually go to... What is it? About 340? That's what the POC on TPO chart is. However, if this thing comes crashing down, which I don't think it's done going down for the day. If it comes crashing down and I'm in a 1 lot on NQ, I mean, at about right here, I would have blown the account. So if I'm gonna keep trying to like recover this thing, I don't even wanna test it. I just want to be able to have a fair shot by taking good scalps. So let's see. See, and this POC did not move up. Let's see what ES got. Trusting God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Y'all, this was the trade to be in. This was the trade to be in. This was the trade to the end. Dang, I missed it. I missed it, man. I missed it. I missed it. Ooh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. We got 9 minutes left on this candle. What y'all think? We got 9 minutes left on this candle. What y'all think? Oh, Premier League. So, yes, I was gonna ask something in chat. So chat, would y'all get in right here for a buy? But Premier League. So I know it goes with Rhythmic. I believe it does have DXP as well. In terms of trade of it, I think they were working on that. When I don't believe they have trade of it connection. But chat, do y'all believe that I should place an NQ one lot right here? We got about 6 people. Do y'all think I should add? I don't think I should add, y'all. I'm gonna let this come back down because the POCs is definitely not aligned. So I'm gonna let it come back down again before I add. But this, I'm not gonna be a Monday morning quarter at. This was the recovery trade. Oh, this was the recovery trade, y'all. This was a freaking recovery trade. This was a recovery trade, y'all. This was a recovery trade. This was a recovery trade. This was a recovery trade, y'all. And I want to say, oh yeah, I'm not gonna have FOMO, but I mean, it's a little too late for that. Oh my gosh. It's a sell. I know, man. It's a sell. Oh yeah, and in terms of other connections, I mean, I only use Rhythmic, but I want to say they also have they have Quant Tower, Tradea, ATAS, and like some other connections. But if you go on their site, like I actually did a review on them, so you can check that out. I covered like all of the connections that they have. They have some testimonials. Like I would honestly say, if you don't have a Funny Seed account, definitely go ahead and grab one. To me, it's one of the best. You can trade at your own pace. It doesn't force you to trade every day, things like that, because there's no monthly fee. In addition to that, activation fees included. I love that. Hopefully they have a sale for 4th of July. That would be good. I think they could get some people on there. And if you get an account, of course, as you see, use code Stellie. Use code Stellie for 50% off. Hopefully they have like a deeper sale for 4th of July. But once you use code Stellie, you'll be able to get the best discount anyway. Yeah, it's a sell, but I can't sell, brother. I'm already in a buy. Well, Premier League, brother, sister. Not sure. Are y'all still watching World Cup? Honestly, I try to keep up. Yeah, tapped out. The FOMO is gone because it hit it hit the bottom of the POC level on TPO. So for me, the FOMO of getting in this thing is gone. However, if I did get into it, I mean, this was perfect recovery. I would have been up $2,000. I mean, perfect recovery. So I would cover this for the day and still be up. Perfect recovery. I mean, perfect. So, yeah, guys. I missed it. So now I'm only down like 800 and some change. The reason being, I've made a few bucks today. What I am aiming for is for this thing to at least do a little bit of retracement, and then at 350. So we're now at 311. Man, time flies. We were just at like, what, 240, 250? So 350, we should get a pop-up. Should get a pop-up at 350. Man. Let's see if we get a recovery. End of the day recovery. 245, end of day recovery. Let's see. Ooh, she pulling back. Oh man. So looking at it, right? This is a level. It was at about what 12:30. Oh no, we're past that a little bit. It's about like 1 a.m. level. So this is a key level. So this is about a 1 a.m. level of yesterday. And then we went to, let's see, we went to about right here, and we popped up. This was a 9:15 candle. So we're still, I mean, we're still in like the same little silly range. So this thing does have an opportunity to pop, but this retracement right here, not a fan. We do have a minute, let's say a minute and a half on this candle left. So there's a possibility that we can pull back a little bit and keep going higher. I'll be honest, if this gets to about under 5, I'm going to put a stop loss. And then I'm just going to walk away from it and let imbalances do its thing. Let's see the balance. We're about 400 away from 50, so ooh, she's coming down. It's not that bad. We'll zero it out up here, that's all. Oh man. That's the only rule. Keep it simple. Don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in about yourself. Almost 20 seconds left for the new candle. I'll wait for the new candle to pull back, do its thing, and then yeah, I might just get in this time, y'all. Normally in a pullback we'll have about two green candles, so let's see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna need you to come down a little bit. No. Okay, there we go. I don't like the delta. The delta on both of these are red. Or negative, I should say. So, not a fan, and we did have a wick. on the candlestick chart for this candle right here. All right, I'm gonna give this some room. We got yeah, primarily said it's a sell. I know, man. I know. It's a sell. All right. Alright, y'all, I'm going in. Please don't run without me. But I'm going in. Okay, pull back. Yes, it's spooking me out, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, it's spooking me out a bit. Come down a little bit more. POC is below, so I really don't like that. But if I can even get like a 500. I don't want to rush into this. No, I've been so patient all day. I wish this POC was higher than this one though. And this is what I didn't want. This is what I didn't want. One, I do want it to pull back, but it's the way that it's pulling back. I need to come, tap, and then run. It's kind of like, it's like the like them old school record player, like I don't like that. I need it to, and then go up and POC to follow. It's too close to 350. I'm gonna let imbalances do its thing. So if we get a good enough pullback, then I can. Okay, see, I wanted to do that in the beginning. Just come down and then just, you know what I'm saying? Dang, I wasn't ready though. She wasn't ready. No. Okay, come on, I'm ready now. Oh. Delta's negative. The imbalances need to do its thing, man. We got 11 minutes on this. It could come down and tap this on TPO, or it could come down and tap it, tap this low level, and then go back up to POC. I'm gonna have to cut this thing. The answer is just when. No one knows. Well, this is a slap in my face. Delta is still negative. I don't like that. Let me see what the 30 is giving. We're wicking out on 30. I don't like that. Whatever. You know what? The hell with it. Come back. See, POC is just still not. POC is still below the previous one. I don't like that. It's not good. And ES, the Delta is growing on ES. Not only that, I also see some sellers. Like You know what?
That's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
I know this is madness. This is madness. Even if I know this is a sell, I'm trying to recover this account. Pure madness. Pure madness. A pure madness. That, you know what? There we go. All right, so we're in. Let's see what, ooh, don't do that. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna put in. That was $50. $50. What is that? But I have to trade it like this. Mainly because I gotta trade it like this mainly because my account is not huge. My account is not huge, y'all, so I have to trade it like this. I'm not sure why this thing is. My chat is all messed up today. I'm not sure why. A screen capture is not doing what it should be doing. Y'all. I think I gotta go back to 150s, man. 150s on MNQ. No more than a 2 or 4 lap. Yeah. Those were the counts I had. Okay. I'm gonna go in for this. I wanna come back, tap me in. By the looks of it, it's probably not gonna do that. Okay, come back, tap me in. I hate getting above POC. But we're so close to 350. I want to see what 350 does. I really want to see if 350 is just gonna wipe it out, or if it's gonna get us like 500. Nah, it's risky getting in up here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But the printer, I think it really wants to get like right here. So it already hit. Sometimes if I'm doing a reversal trade and I see this, I'll get in and have my TP at the previous VWAP. So for it to have hit it, even went past it a little bit, I don't think I want to touch it. But I mean, this could be the 3 o'clock reversal, you feel me? So let me see what ES is doing. Not ES, the charge. NVIDIA is at 199 right now. Okay, she may be pulling down. keeping my eye on TPO. I was not expecting. Okay, we got FX option expires. Okay, so okay.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
We got 2 minutes left on this candle. What we gonna do? I said, what we gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Honestly, I wouldn't want to enter a trade right here. Looking at the chart, if this thing is gonna go up, it's gonna have to go up on its own. It's gonna have to be the reversal. Reason why I say that, when I look at NQ, when I look at ES, we're struggling, right? Delta on both, completely red. And looking at the time of the day, I do want to see what imbalances we have, and you know what direction it's gonna go in. I know it's a wide gap, but I'd much rather go ahead and fish out of this during after imbalances versus right now, because imbalances could take this thing down, and if it takes it down, it blows the account. Okay, that's fine, right? I spent the day in it, trying to recover the account. Did, you know, get a few bucks here and there. So if I can at least wait for imbalances, see what happens, and then scalp it on NQ to break even. If imbalances don't knock me out, then I'm fine with that. We have a minute left on this candle. It's either this thing is going to push up, or, which, yeah, it's going to push up a little bit. It's probably not going to form a, it's probably not going to form a higher high on this candle, so I would hate for it to be a green candle though. I would love for it to be like a red doji and then go up, but hey man, I would also love $1 million plus, really 30 mil, so yeah, just gonna have to sit here and watch paint dry. Okay. What you got? What you got? With a new candle now. We are on a new candle now. Camera, what is happening right now? I know I look so weird doing this. I'm trying to get my camera to like focus. Okay. Just want to be this close, I guess. Kind of weird, but okay. Guess I don't want to zoom out. Well, this was a nice little candle. I'm not a fan of it because it didn't go down first, and I don't like that. ES is giving this weird little pull up. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. I think this thing's gonna rip lower. I'm not liking this at all. This thing is gonna rip lower. Oh my gosh. Let's zoom out. Thank you, camera. Thank you.
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip.
Yep, yes, that's going on already. There we go.
When the market cold, we keep the
Ah, boy. 350, you better come with something real good. That's all I gotta say. 350, come with something good now. Don't play. As I drink my iced coffee with my grains in it. I don't think there's anything wrong with drinking coffee grains. Reason being, I eat chocolate all the time that has coffee nibs in it. Growing up, I used to suck on the coffee, the coffee bean sack. It's like a fruit. Well, that's cocoa, and then like the coffee bean, whatever it's that thing. We used to pick it, and my great grandmother used to roast it. I used to eat those like fruits. So good. It's so good. Yeah, this thing's pulling back now. Let's see what 350 gives. Let's see what we got in this chat. Hey y'all. I don't know if any of my family don't really they don't really know, they know that I trade, they just don't really know like what I trade and how. Like they know that I have like a long-term portfolio, which they always ask me questions, but I doubt any of my family is on here. If any of my family members on here, drop something in the chat. They're not on here, I doubt. So I appreciate all 5 of you that are in this chat. You're the reason why we're now at 59 subs. If you haven't subbed yet, make sure you sub. This channel was created for a lot of reasons. One of the main ones is so that I can point my family and friends in like the direction when they ask me a bunch of questions about trading and investing. And I also wanted to document my journey. I've been trading for a while now, gotten payouts, definitely supplemented, some of my income. So I wanted to document the journey and just really get more aggressive with my trading and have more conviction in my trades. So when you see me hold on to a trade for a very long time, that's one of the main reasons why I do it, right? With that being said, I appreciate y'all, joining the journey, hanging out with me. Trading is a very lonely sport. And a lot of my friends, for example, when I blow an account, or if I'm really, really excited about a payout, they're like, oh my gosh, like, some of the questions they ask me, I'm like, yeah, you just don't get it. You just don't get it. So yeah, it's good to have a community, and I appreciate y'all, you know, hopping in and joining my little community. All right, y'all, we zeroed out right here. To be completely honest, I don't want to, not because we zeroed out here, right here, I want to buy this because we could come down a flush, or yeah, the 5 minute is not looking good. 5 minute look like it's just gonna crash now. Ooh. 15 cent over this well, it's just a continuation. So this was a pullback. So this is where we could have recovered this account. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Okay, we got some headlines. Oh my gosh. Anytime I see any info about like war and stuff like that, I'm just like, alright, yeah, we're probably gonna go down. It is what it is. And a comment, order flow snipers for me. Yeah, let's go. I love trading with order flow. I appreciate it, man. Oh, yes, order flow snipers family, my newfound family. I appreciate y'all. It's all love. Yeah, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me and getting me to 59 subs. Hey, that's a 1 sub away from 60 subs. Let's go. What I envision, and I'll talk to like, I'll keep saying it and hopefully somebody can like help me out with this. But what I envision is to like have this community where we all just kind of like trade together. I know it's kind of tough because like people work. I have like several days off during the week, but a lot of you guys, like you guys work like regular 9 to 5, so, or some of you like trade full time, which is amazing. I would love for y'all to like hop on stream with me and we trade together. And listen, there could be like 3-4 people looking at the market and all have different theses, all looking for different setups, and all of those setups and theses could be correct. Like, I remember my friend and I was trading, and you know, they were like talking about a setup, and I'm like, what? Like, yeah, no, I don't see that. And lo and behold, we both were profitable in the end, right? So that's why I never let what someone setup is or what someone thesis is, you know, dictate my thesis or my setup, because I know what I'm looking for, and you can have different influences that pushes you or sways you into a trade, and you can be correct. I mean, you could be wrong too, but both of you, it could be different between both of you, and both of you can be correct. So, but it would be cool to have like different, you know, setups, different theses on stream, and to see at the end of the day we're all profitable. Or it could be that 1 or 2 people are profitable, and then, you know, you can learn from it, right? To be down like 1,400, it's really, I'm only down 1,000 and some change because I made 400 for today. But to be down this amount, I feel like I'm trading a 150K. This is a 50K account. This is bananas. This is bananas. Do y'all remember that song? All right, y'all. You know the craziest thing. So I'm looking at ES right now, and ES is still not below settlement of yesterday. But NQ, for some reason, NQ for some reason is just wholeheartedly going to the downside. Why? I have no idea. Ugh. NQ, you're breaking my heart. You are breaking my heart. I can't sing, y'all. Yeah, this is rough. We're too close to 350. I'm just gonna let this thing ride. We're already up 400 on the day. We're up 400 on the day, so let's see if this 400 will give us some cushion, or if we're just gonna get cooked. Cooked or cushion? Which one? Cooked or cushion? Which one? $342. Are up 400 on close profit, but the open, not the close. For close right now, we only be down 1,000 for the day, but I don't want to close it. Really, could have closed this thing out right here and be down only 1,000. But no, I mean, what good would that do? Like, I want to see what 350 is gonna bring. Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we come inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. All right. What we got in the chat? Hey y'all, hey. I really appreciate y'all hanging out with the kid. I know some of y'all are probably just here to see whether or not this account is gonna blow up. I don't blame you. Oh wow, we got the POCs going down now. I really miss this opportunity, man. This was a really good opportunity to just recover this entire account. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change this TP to 100. Really, I need to change this TP to about watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God. I need to change this TP to about 350. All right, 345, y'all. 345. 345. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. Oh my gosh. Hands off the keyboard. Let 350 do its thing. I promise y'all I'm not crying. Some of the mine. Okay, she's struggling. She's struggling. She's struggling. We just need imbalances to turn this thing green. Okay, thing, get out my eye. I gotta focus. I feel like I got a lash in my eye. I don't know what I gotta focus about. I'm waiting for like 4 minutes for 350 to do its thing, but I don't know. She was like she wanna go to the dance. I don't think she's struggling no more. This month of July, I think I want to walk every single day and get at least 3 miles in. I'm going to shoot for 5, but I do want to get at least 3 miles in. Ooh, got 3 minutes. Got 3 minutes. We zeroed out at the bottom. We weren't like trying to take over the Panama Canal. Oh my gosh. Trump, we don't need this smoke right now. Trump, we don't need this smoke right now. Please, please. We need you to say something good. Why is this man talking right now? We don't need no smoke right now. We need positive news. If you're signing something, make it be something positive, okay? If you're not signing nothing, don't say no. Come on, imbalances. I'm counting on you, girl. There's lashes in my eye, and I cannot go to the restroom and take it out because I told you it was a sell. I know it's a sell, but I didn't buy already from overnight, so I gotta see this thing through. So y'all, please don't do this. This account, I've built back this account twice to above 50K. At this point, I'm just not, okay. 349. Yeah, Premier League, 38-24. We might, yeah. Oh. You know what? I'm not even gonna. I want y'all to see the length. I was trying to like small it up so we could see it. But. No rushing in. We come inside the storm. Protect your capital. That's the only rule. All right. 1 minute. I'm not a fan. I know it moved up. I'm not a fan. I just wish it, yeah, I'm not a fan of what it just did. Come on, Financial Juice. Can you give me imbalances, please? Yeah, I'm not a fan of how it pushed up. If it came down and then whoop, cool, but I'm not a fan. Premier League said, I told you it was a sell. Premier League, are you selling right now? I hope you're selling. All right, here we go. Okay. Ooh. I mean, it's mixed, but it's not a lot. It's like $7.91. Okay, it's not a whole lot. Yeah, it's just can't really do much. This was a very uneventful imbalance. A very, very uneventful. Very, very, ooh. Yeah, I see a continuation to the downside still. I mean, imbalances didn't get us like the pop I was hoping for. So now the question, do I let this thing just run? Or do I still try to recover it by adding a one lot or NQ and waiting until it gets to be well? It's risky because as this drags down, I would need to wait for a pullback. As it's dragged down, I would need to wait for a pullback or at least a decent level in order to ride up a pullback. But as this thing drags down, guess what? My loss gets larger. So if, let's say, we get about right here, this is 1800. Here, that's 19, right? So by the time I put on some size on NQ, one little pullback, or one little continuation rather, because it would be on NQ, this thing could like really wreck me. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit tight. It's okay if this account decides it does not want to level out today. It's perfectly fine. We're zeroed out up here, so I don't even want to touch this. If we're zeroed out at the bottom, I would feel more confident in at least taking some scalps. But it's 350. I mean, yeah, y'all, this account did not recover. It was still not blown. I will have to close about 450. So let's see what happens. It looked like it's trying to do something. It hit a level. We had some buyers down here on ES. So let's see what happens. On TPO though, we can't. Ooh, yeah. Okay. This was a thought process. This was the thought process. Let's see here. So we're at 12. Apple is in discussion to buy memory chips from Chinese companies. All right, here we go. Oh, let's see what we got in the chat. Keen. Is this the same Keen? Mid MOC, yeah. Definitely correct on that. Sold and made my money already. I'm done. I don't trade market close. I end up trading market close just because that's what I'm up. Scalping PM is tricky. I know. I know, man. It's tricky. On TPO, I do expect this thing to go down further. And then we have the POC that just separated. So yeah, I'm gonna need to cut this. I probably should have cut this like a long time ago. I know we got people in chat like, why didn't you cut it? Because I'm tired of building back this account. I've built it back so many times. At this point, I hate to say it, but I'm kind of okay with just letting it go today. But we're at the end of the day and still not blown. Still not blown at the end of the day. I thought imbalances would have at least pop us up to maybe about the 350s. And then be like, oh, okay, cool. Like, you know, scalped up. And then break even or be only 500 down for the day. Or imbalance is just flushing us. And flushing us down to about the 40s. But now we're making new prints, right? So this is probably going to happen now. It's probably going to flush us down to the 40s. And this thing is going to blow. So let's see it blow together at this point. Or do we close it and sell on NQ? Decisions. You know what? Today wasn't bad at all. It wasn't. I just got stuck in this trade and I refused to let it go. That's really what it is. That's really all it is. I just got stuck in this trade. I refused to let it go. And there you have it. So we did come down to the 40s. Let's see. This is real tricky. This is real tricky, but hey, we ain't got nothing to lose. If we blow, we blow. At this point, this is like purely gambling, but we got a minute left. All right, so we're in. So let's see what this gives us, right? Let's see what this gives us. Apple is in talks with Trump administration on chip purchase. Okay, so we're up a couple hundred. I'm gonna put it right here. Please don't get me in profit. Just go up. Please don't get me in profit. Just continue. So the goal is that once I close this account today, we are honestly at least not blown, because I will have, like I said, I will have to close this account at some point. I can't hold it past 450. So Keen, I know you mentioned it's definitely tricky scalping PM. It is tricky scalping PM. But that's all I got today. Is it pass or blow for that account in draw? Hey man, Premier League. The way I look at it, imbalances didn't do what I expected it to do. So now I'm trying to make some shake. And we did hit the level 340. I don't know. I don't believe it's going to go below this level. I mean, it very well could. I mean, oh, it's going there right now. So let's watch it. Are we zeroed out? Are we going to pass it? Yup, we're going to pass it. So now we got like 200 on. It's, let's see. It's playing at this level right here. Yeah, it's probably gonna go to low right now. It's probably gonna go to low right now. Yeah, the prints are getting larger, so tisk tisk tisk. And on ES, we have buyers, but they're all the way at like the teens. So honestly, we're probably gonna blow around right here. Let's see who we got in the chat. Premier League, you're funny as hell. Yeah, we're at 19. This thing is just like a slow death. Like, what the heck? But if we look, it probably wants the 915 on. And I looked at this earlier. So it pretty much just took everything from yesterday. Zoom in. So we pretty much came right here. Right? This level right here. So this is our new settlement. Came right here. Am I gonna close it? No. I mean, we're right there. Like, it doesn't make sense to keep babying this account. It is what it is. Could I have turned it around earlier? Yes. However, I said going in that I was going to either scalp this thing up to break even, or I was gonna let it blow. I really thought imbalances was gonna take this thing out, but imbalances was like so mid. No movement, like none. Let's see at 450 what we looking like. It'll probably be blown by then, but if it's not, we'll see. This coffee is good, but I really like some hot tea. Now that it hit this level, I might test it a few times, but I might test it after close actually. So let me see some. Let me take a look at something. The thought process is to buy this. That's the thought process. All right, y'all. So we're going in. So another dip, and then we're gonna go in. Let's see if we blow this now. It's almost 350, y'all. Like, it is what it is. Dang. She like sniped it. All right, she's going to blow. Not yet. What are you rated at? Probably should have bought it a little lower than that, but she's like taking forever. I was trying to get it lower, but it's all good. So I want to put it in profit anytime it's like over 100, but at the same time it's like, why? I don't know, y'all. I guess if I have to close it and at 4 something and it's still not, you know. Okay, so this is almost like, what, 400? I guess my thought process is if I have to close it and it hadn't blown yet, then we live to trade another day with this account, but I thought it would actually blow just now. Could have stayed in, but that take profit plus stop loss and profit gets me every time. And this is on NQ, so for me, if I see 200, 300, earlier it was like 100. If I seen 100, I was taking it. So really and truly, y'all, I'm only down 800 for the day. Last print is at 313. So let's see. If we keep going up, we at least get to settlement, which is probably what it's gonna do. If we get to settlement, then and we go above it, probably pull back to settlement. I don't think it's gonna go above it. But if you pull back to settlement, then am I gonna cut it? No. I'm not gonna cut this trade until 450. I can make some additional profit to where we, we end at a break even, sure, but so right now we're up. We're down overall if this trade stays open a little over 700, right? So overall it would cancel itself out based on the profits I made for the day. So net P&L is like 771 to be exact. Overall, I mean, been down 1800 for the day. So with this trade open. Let's see what we got going on in the chat. Who's still tuned in? We have 4 people up in here. Premier League, are you still in here? King. Are you watching my tricky scalping? I feel like I'm trading a 150K. I would be way more aggressive. We probably would definitely blown by now. The lot size probably would have been 10, 20 or something like that. This is actually a good one to get cool 20 ticks on. 20 ticks. So right here, 20 ticks. If I keep getting 10, 20 ticks every time I push down, it'll be good. Alright, let's see here. What we got? ES is still negative on Delta, and Q officially turn positive. So do I wanna? Alright, we got 40 minutes left. It's probably gonna come to settlement. Come to settlement, and then we close probably down. I'll take 500 down for the day. Last print is like 313 though, so I don't. Shit. Last print was like 200 and something one time, and we made what, 5 prints after that. This thing could reverse. Three minutes left. I don't want to touch this. Yup. Exactly why I didn't want to touch it with 3 minutes left. Could go either way. Come down. Actually form another low. Which I don't put it past it. SoftBank is in talks with lenders on securing $10 billion margin loan backed by OpenAI, stake and repayment guarantee. We have some headlines. From SoftBank, but nothing drastic to move this market. I was after 4, so kind of like after hours now, so I doubt we're gonna have a whole lot. Could do 700 to the upside, but it's this thing could go either way. Dang, this is a good little scalp right here. With this little time on this candle, thing could go either way. I don't want to be a part of that. Do y'all know my breakfast is still sitting here? It was really my lunch because I was asleep during breakfast time. Alright, so it's still about 750 down on a day. If we push up, we could get to the point to where we're 500 down on a day, or close to 500, which it is what it is, considering this account could have blown. And there is still time for this account to blow. It's 4:14. Listen, it is what it is. I feel like my hair is all over my face. Let's see what ES got going on. Okay. Okay. Just trying to push to the downside, which this isn't horrible what it's doing right now. The delta is just negative. Don't like that at all. At all, at all, at all. Got about 44 minutes total until this market wraps up. I will not be in for that entire time. Got about 14 minutes left on this candle. She looking a little sticky. She looking a little sticky, boy. I will not be streaming tomorrow. I'll be traveling, so I won't be streaming tomorrow. But I'll be streaming next week. She going down, down. She go down, down. I feel like anytime I say something, there's like a song that coincides. We hadn't zeroed out on any end. Okay, well, that went away quickly. Still ain't zeroed out yet. Ah, boy. Ah, gal. I don't know what. I got a GE Force RTX 580. It's no reason why this thing is like buffering. So this account is just gonna let me wait till 3:50. I have an urge to buy this. I have no idea why, but I have an urge to buy this. I want to drop down a little bit further. I'm gonna buy. If we don't make it, it's fine. I promise y'all, it's okay if we don't make it. If we don't make it, it's okay. It's okay, we're officially going to blow in. We're not gonna blow. Oh, I think the profits from the day. Oh my gosh. I'm like, why haven't we blown up yet? Oh, no wonder it was kind of sticky. War says price was fading while most stocks rise. U.S. market wrap. Most stock in the U.S. rose on signs of economic strength and easing pricing pressures. I have my own thoughts on that, but I'll let them tell whatever they want to tell. Hopefully this market goes up. I mean, what he's saying, I mean, we should be going up, but still heading down. So like we're gonna blow soon, which, hey, it is what it is. I'm not gonna put a stop loss on this at this point. Just gonna watch this thing do its thing, you know what I mean?
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's how we ahead. No revenge trading, watch the candle flip. Protect
So delta is green on both ends, but we're still pushing down.
in the middle of the storm. When the market cold,
We're dead smack on a level right now. So yeah, we're dead smack on a level right now. So right now, oh, we just want a profit. Not profit enough to get us what we need though, but so I'm gonna put one right here at 50, but I'm also gonna raise this up, right? So the goal, I was gonna say the goal is to never, once your profit, never let it go below, but taking small wins over time. So taking small wins over time, eventually, if we happen to get to like 2,000 of small wins for the day, then it could cancel out where we're at. If we just get a reversal here, which I don't see that happening, to be completely honest. I don't see us getting a reversal right here. However, on my candlestick chart, we have all the way from, I mean, one is, I wouldn't even pay attention to that much, but we have one all the way to 1 minute, rather, all the way to 1 hour. My camera keeps like zooming in, and I'm just like, girl, what are you doing? Zoom out. Whatever. So we have from 1 minute to 1 hour. Can you zoom out, girl? Like, out. Zoom out. No? Okay. 1 minute to 1 hour. It's all at the bottom of the 80. So we very well could push up a bit. Or this could just be a pullback, right? Could pull back and then just head right back down. But anytime a Williams already got below the 80, you normally go back up. So if we get to about, let's see if I can time this right. If we get to about right here, we get to settlement. We'll be in good shape. I would feel comfortable closing anywhere between right here at 450, because I'm gonna close at 450. This is a good little stream, holding on to this trade. Okay, camera, can you please get out of my face? Like, get out of my face. Zoom out. Zoom out. Well, I hope y'all just enjoy staring. Zoom out. Out. If anyone knows how to like make this camera not do this, please let me know. Zoom out. I know I look crazy as hell doing this. Alright. I held on to this thing a little bit more. It could have been up. Yeah, the market just want to be dead. Okay, go ahead. Go right ahead. Up. So I made some money today on pullbacks. So today was not a horrible day, even if I'm more than likely gonna end this on the downside. I made some money today. We made some money today, we made some money today. It wasn't enough to keep the downside away. Alright. Honestly speaking, I have no idea. It's almost 4:30. We're 2 minutes away from 4:30. I have no idea what this market is going to do. I do know that we hit a key level right here. So it could come back down, test it, or it could go back up to settlement. I'm almost at my closing point. I did set the goal of walking every day. So I'm trying to get out of this so I can go for a nice walk. Sun is probably beaming now too, but I do want to walk. I do want to get more active because on my off days or my days where I'm not traveling for work, I just sit at this computer if I'm not traveling or, you know, I'm trading. So I'm just at my big old screen. I'm just staring at the screen. So it's good to kind of get out and, you know, be active. It would be nice to start playing tennis again. I haven't played tennis in years. So Premier League said, why are you buying again? Listen, I was already in this buy. Of course, yes, I didn't want to let the trade go. So here we are. We're on 4:30, so let's see what happens. I'm 100% with, I thought this account would have been blown already, but it looks like, hey, I just sized correctly, and yeah, we live to trade another day, or do we? Because right now this thing looks like it wants to go to the downside. So down about 7 for the day. I'm not gonna try and like correct this account. Oh my gosh, can this camera please get out of my face? Thank you. Sheesh. I'm not gonna try and like say, oh, I want to be above 50K and all that. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna let this thing through a 450. I'm gonna close it, and that'll be that. So to answer your question, Premier League 38.24. Why am I buying? I was already in a buy. Well, Trump said boats are coming out of the Hormuz Strait, and he just ended his remarks at event in North Dakota. I've never been to North Dakota. I'm gonna go there. It's a goal of mine to visit all 50 states, so I'm gonna put that on my list. Well, that was very uneventful. I thought that was gonna like move something. Oh man, I thought that was gonna do something, shake a little something. Didn't do it. Damn. It'd be nice to get to previous settlement. I hope to never, ever, ever trade like this again. Because what I did, I essentially married that trade. I didn't marry it in hopes that, okay, this is gonna go just pop up and like, no. I married it in the sense of one or two things can happen. This account can blow, or this account can at least get me, I can at least break even. Yeah, some days it's good, but on days like this, it's just like, okay, I could have easily just cut the losses and get in for a sell. But even in saying that, would I have really gotten in for a sell? Because my conviction was a buy, especially seeing what the market is doing. So yeah. Yeah, I hope you sold, man. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, though. What happened? It didn't pop up. Normally the names pop up, so I don't have to, like, type it out. You know, people have, like, they change letters and add all kind of cute stuff to their names. Okay, so are we gonna blow now or what? Okay, that's it. It's trying to come down. So we're technically down about 800. Okay. 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 Yeah, she trying to come down. She trying to come down. This coffee ain't bad cold. Oh yeah, no, she trying to come down. Ooh. ES is pulling her down. Actually. So let's see, from here to here, it's about 500. Do we want to dibble dabble? Do we want to dibble dabble? I think we want to dibble dabble, y'all. Do we want to dibble dabble? Go lower, go lower. Do we want to dibble dabble? Go lower, go lower. I think we want to dibble dabble. I hate when this thing start moving slow like this. I still do believe this thing can just go to the downside and blow. And as I mentioned, I'm okay with that. But if I do see an opportunity to at least, I wouldn't even say recover. I would say an opportunity to like make some money. I'm going to take it. But can this thing just go all the way down here? All the way down, where is it low? All the way down here? Yeah. I do see it. But what I will do, I will bring my limit like up here for if it happens to like just swing back, that it can, you know, it can give me a few $100. A few $100. Sort of like one and change. She's still heading to the downside. We up a few dollars. Not much, but a few dollars nonetheless. Okay. So we're down 600 now based on the profits that were made. The mini profits. You gotta take the mini profits, man. You see profit, you take profit. So we got some mini profits. I should have let it run up all the way here, but I'm always going to put a stop loss in profit. I shouldn't say always. I'm going to put a stop loss in profit when I can. I try to. But this was a good little scalp right here. I'm going to put on an alarm so that way I close this thing. I need to close this thing eventually. So I'm going to put an alarm on. So I close it in the next. I'll say the next. Put a timer on. Actually, I don't have to close it because it'll close automatically and I won't fail the account. But I like to put on one myself. So I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes. Yeah, we're just going to do 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, we'll see where we're at. We'll go ahead and close it. So if I was scalping all day, honestly, I would have made way more money because I would have been scalping to the downside, not to the upside. Well, I say that in hindsight, but definitely scalping to the sell side if I did not trade last night. But because I was married to this thing, I wasn't married in a sense like, oh my gosh, this has to go up. It's only gonna go up. But I was married in a sense where I only gave it two options. Like, oh my gosh, this is definitely gonna be only 500 down for the day, or imbalances is gonna swing us either way, blow, pass or blow. So we ain't looking too good, but we ain't looking too bad neither. We ain't looking too shabby. We ain't looking too shabby. We pull back to settlement. Camera, why you keep doing this to me? And I'm trying to like this camera's in my face. Whatever, just leave it where it's at. Edie, what it is. Alright. So we're down, we're above 50. pay on this account. So it's like it's technically starting a brand new account. I keep starting this account over. I got 10 minutes, man. I got 10 minutes on this. I got 10 minutes on this. I got 10 on it. I got 10 on it. I got 10 on it.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form. No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the only rule. Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah. Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe in yourself.
I want to close it just to see what it's going to do. Because right now, technically, you're only down 600. We'll just call it 600, but it's like a little over 500 for the day. So I want to close it and just like kind of like sit and watch. But it's like, hey, we're down already, so what the heck? Might as well let a beat build. Let the beat build. Let the beat build. Let the beat build. So on ES, we're zeroed out on both ends, right? So this thing can go either way. It's still at the bottom. A pop to the upside would be great. We got one more 15-minute candle, y'all. That's it. That's it. I want too much of a bad day. Yeah, I want too much of a bad day. I don't think we're gonna break even per se, but at least, you know, we ain't really down 1,800. We just down like 5 something for now. It ain't over till the fatly the same. Okay, this is like, so I can't see like a full picture of myself when I'm streaming, but I can see like a little box, and it's so close to my face. Zoom out for me. Stream. Camera. I gotta look at the settings on here. Like it's just, I don't know what it is. It's like in my face. I need this thing to get a settlement. If we get a settlement, at least we can I kept holding it. I need this thing to get the settlement. Get the settlement. I know some people would probably close this and then sell. I'm not gonna do that. Already did what I had to do for the day. 444, let's go. I don't know what this means or like if there's any significance behind it. Maybe it's just that I always happen to look at the clock at the time. But I'm always seeing the time when it's 4:44. Or like I'll be looking at something and like, oh, 4:44. I'm always looking at the time around 4:44. It could be AM, PM, like always seeing 4:44. I don't really see 770. Oh, there's no 770. But I always see 4:44. I don't know what significance that is. Alright, for ES, zeroed out top and bottom. NQ we hadn't zeroed out, but this was a doji at the bottom, so could be a possibility this thing might go up. However, the small print at the bottom. Okay, we did not zero out on ES. We're going down. Where we at? 530, down 537 on the day. I'm like, do we want to get to settlement or no? What are we doing? Come on, being that this is what you wanted to do, NQ, just go ahead. Get to settlement in the next 4 minutes so I can get out of here and go for my walk. Zoom out. Zoom out. Is it seeing me? I mean, clearly it's seeing me. I need to look at the manual for this camera. Like, that's what it said to do. And, like, this thing just would not listen. Let's see what we got in the chat. My chat died down, boy. Y'all probably like, this girl is crazy. I appreciate whoever this is in here. Y'all could be watching so many other people. You got PW stream. When I started trading, I used to watch PW and D-Money and all them guys over there. But what I noticed is that when you're watching, like everybody has their own style. So sometimes I still do watch, especially when I'm traveling. I actually still do watch other streamers, right? But what I noticed is that they're so advanced. They're like huge streamers, and there's not really a space for like new people where. This is from my perspective. I feel like people will ask questions and they be like, "Oh my gosh, you're dumb" or whatever. I'm like, that's not fair, because if it's a new trader, like, you know, they probably have genuine questions, whether it be about prop firms or, you know, just trading as a whole. And if I don't know it, I'd much rather it be a safe space. As I always mention, this channel was not only to document my journey, but also, you know, for my friends and family, whoever decide they want to trade or like have questions about trading, I can like send them somewhere they can like get the answer. So I just wanted to create this safe space as well. But I do watch other streamers when I'm not on here. And yes, I appreciate this one person hanging in there with me and watching this account be recovered slightly. Okay. We are at 4:49. We got 1 minute until we gotta close this account. But I appreciate this one person for hanging in there with me. Yeah. I hope and pray. Well, there's no hope in trading, but I pray that all of your trades go extremely well and you get a payout in the month of July. Let's go. You know whose stream I haven't watched in a minute? Alpine. Yeah, on my walk, I'm probably gonna take a look at them. Alpine and Nutty Bar. I haven't watched their stream in a minute. Ooh, alright, y'all. Alright, boys and girls, it's that time. Probably should have taken it at 4:49 because we're right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to put in a stop loss. I'm getting stuffy for some reason. I'm gonna put in a stop loss gotta make sure it's a red account. You know what? Let me just do it on here. I'm like, I gotta make sure it's a red account because I don't need no smoke. Where we at?
Check the screen, time forget the bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead.
Oh, need no smoke now.
Watch the candle flip, protect your capital, never let it slip.
I'm gonna put in a stop loss and
Love the storm,
9 out of 10 times she gonna get hit.
cold we keep the vision warm.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind.
Can't see it on here. Oh, because this is on NQ. Okay.
Believe in yourself and watch how we grow.
But I want y'all to see when I close this trade.
That's the life we know.
Let's see something. This 01. This is 01.
Watch the chart, see the pattern form.
Okay.
No rushing in, we calm inside the storm. Protect your capital, that's the
Probably
only
shouldn't.
rule. Keep it simple.
I know, just looking at it, it is crazy. Yeah, I should never, ever, ever do this again.
Small wins stacked up, piling on the shelf. You gotta believe
Holding on to this trade is crazy work.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking it slow. Trust your trades, no doubt in the mind. StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how we grow.
I did not read my cards. I don't know where it's at right now, but I remember I said I was gonna read like a motivational card. Alright, here we go. Come get it. Come get it. Said 450, but in my mind I had 455.
check the screen,
Ooh, ooh,
time
ooh,
forget the
ooh.
bread. Calmness when trading, that's all we ahead.
Where we at?
No revenge
563 on a day.
watch the candle flip. Protect your capital, never let it slip. Trust in God in the middle of the storm. When the market cold, we keep the vision warm.
Small wins stacked up, look how it'll flow. Patience pays, yeah, we taking
I'm gonna leave it right here. I think what happened is it's gonna go ahead and go back and forth on this.
StellieTrades guys, leave the fear behind. Believe in yourself and watch how we grow. Profit payout, that's the life we know.
Or is it? Or is it? Oh, oh, or is it? Realistically, we got 2 minutes for me to pull the plug on this.
Keep it simple, don't play the fool. Yeah,
Ooh, ooh.
small wins.
Are we good? We did get below 50,000. In my mind, I'm like, okay, if we're now below 50,000, am I saying something for this thing to zoom in on my face? I have to be because this thing just keeps zooming in. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. No, okay, whatever. In my mind, I was like, all right, cool. Being above 50,000, just go in, look at it as a fresh new account. Make sure you went on your limits and just trade this thing like you would normally. Call it a day. Okay, we're back over 50,000. We're like $1 over 50,000. Let me see. I mean, we have a little bit of motion. The delta looking low. Delta looking low green. Oh, I'll just pull back. That's fake out. Okay, cool. Cool. Ooh. All right, y'all. I gotta cut it. It's 4:55, so I do have to cut it. I'm just gonna keep trailing this thing up. It's 4:55, and do I think it has a little bit more room to go up? Yes, but I'm $22 over $11 over. Boom, and we are officially done for the day. I'm not gonna lie, I had fun. If it blew, it'd be like, oh, okay, cool. But officially blown. Well, not. We're officially done for the day. Officially done for the day. And we are only down 560 because of the profit that we made. So, could I have broken even? Yes. Could I have also blown this account? Yes. Quick recap. I do want to go ahead and look at this as I'm on the road. Quick recap. Let me flatten all my trades first of all. So quick recap. Lesson number 1, flatten your trades at the end of the day. So let's see. The thought process behind this trade, right, was that we're going up all day. We're going up all day. I had FOMO. Oh, cool. We're going up all day, and I want to get in. Like, cool. This was a pullback to the upside, pullback to the upside, pullback to the upside. Now I realize that, no, sweetheart, this ain't no pullback to the upside. This isn't a pullback to the upside. This is just more or less a flag to go lower. So got in somewhere around here. As soon as I got in, because this was like ranging for a while. Watched it, got in, went down, and then kept going. So honestly, recap, wait until a breakout. If I waited for this breakout either to the downside or upside or what have you, I would have clearly seen this. But that's all I got, y'all. Peace, love, and happy trading.